In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a CC in Brevo. Whether you're new to Brevo or just need a refresher, this simple guide will walk you through each step to ensure your emails are sent correctly and efficiently. Let's dive in. First things first, let's open a web browser and search for Brevo. Type Brevo into your preferred search engine and hit enter. Once the search results load, look for the official Brevo website. It's typically the first link, so go ahead and click on it to be directed to their homepage. Now that you've reached the Brevo site, you'll need to log into your account. If you haven't done so already, find the Login button, which is usually located in the top right corner of the page. Enter your credentials to gain access. If you've forgotten your password, there should be an option to reset it easily. Once you're logged in, navigate to the CRM section. This is where all your contact management happens. Hover over or click on CRM, then select Contacts from the menu. You'll need to find the contact you wish to email, so use the search bar to type in the name or email address of the person. This helps you quickly locate them, especially if you have a long list of contacts. After finding the desired contact, click on their name. This will open up their contact details page, where you'll see all the information related to them. It's here that you can manage your interaction with this contact. Look for the email icon. It's usually placed right above the email field. Clicking this icon will open up the email composer. In the composer, it's important to fill out the necessary fields. Start by entering the recipient's email address in the To field. Also, make sure to fill in the subject field with an appropriate subject for your email. Compose your email content in the body section, ensuring that your message is clear and concise. To add a CC, simply click back inside the To field. This action should reveal additional fields for CC and BCC, allowing you to add more recipients. In the CC field, type in the email address of the person or people you want to copy on the email. Double-check that all email addresses are correctly spelled to avoid any sending errors. Once everything looks good, the recipients, the subject, and the body of your email, proceed to the final step, which is sending your email. Look for the Send button, likely at the bottom of the Composer window, and click it. And there you have it. You've successfully learned how to add a CC in Brevo, allowing you to keep everyone in the loop with your communications. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials.